Maiden flight. Is that you?
Yeah, pick off good.
See where we're at with hands off. This hands off.
Oh, you touch it down.
A little bit of right. Let's try it.
The CG looks
The way it took off, it looked real nice, didn't it?
Alright, doing hands off again.
yeah, it's nice.
Maybe a little bit of rudder to the left, huh?
That's good. Now it's dragging its tail a little bit. You might want to start that turn with a little bit of rudder. And then feed any rain.
Yeah. Alright. We got test flaps.
That would be pretty good.
Looks like a scare bus anyway.
Alright.
Take off flaps.
Let's take off flaps. Climbing.
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, so I have to adjust. Yeah, right now it's okay. We'll do full flaps on the way back. See where those are. Probably have to adjust some elevator to it. There's full flaps. Full flaps don't look bad.
Nope. Maybe we should
Just a hair climb.
Yep.
Alright, well we're not going to use flaps.
Boy, it slows down nice though.
Yeah. Alright. Do a gear pass.
I think that thing will crawl in for a landing.
It's supposed to get like 6 minutes out of it, but I'm only doing 4. Alright, looks like we got all gears down. Here we go.
Good, Mike. Now let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Yeah. Good one, Mike.
I'm trying.
I know.